Hello, welcome. A quick one here. This question has been on a timeline for some time now. Given that x squared plus 4x is equivalent to x plus 2 all squared plus k, we have to find the value of k. This is a direct, how do you call it, quadratic equation using the completing the square. So I will use that approach. There are other steps or methods you can follow to be able to get the value of the k, but I will just go straight forward and use that of completing the square. How do we do that? So I'll be taking the left, okay, which is x squared plus 4x plus something equals to 0. That will give you a quadratic equation. So we always find half of the middle term. Half of the middle term. So half of this will give you what? 2. We will have the square of that to both sides. So meaning I'll be having here as x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared minus 2 squared. Why am I subtracting? 2 squared minus 2 squared give you 0. So we have this. If we were to have equals to, then I'll be adding the 2 squared to the left, to the right. So that when I bring them, it will still become a subtraction like this. And don't forget that if you find half of this to give you the 2, that means this side here is a perfect trinomial. So since half of this gives me this 2, then the whole of this become x plus the 2 all squared, then minus what? 4. You see that this, if you expand this, you come back to the whole of this. Square the first, twice their product, square the last. You get this? So here, if you compare this to our x plus 2 all square plus k, you can see that k will be equals to minus 4. You see, k is positive here, minus 4 is here, so k will be equals to minus 4. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.